Hi, my name is Alex Lang, and we're going to be navigating through a website called S'more. So right now we are on the home page, but we're going to be focusing here on the top section here. These are the tools that you'll be needing to create your own flyer. So we're going to start out with new flyer so we can navigate through that. Here we have a template that has all kinds of things that you could use in your newsletter, but we're going to focus on a class, like a classroom. So this is what the basic template looks like for that, and there's some little add-ons you can add to your flyer at the end. So we're just going to start out with, it's an easy, simple thing. You can click on it, you can type whatever you want that you want the header of the flyer to be. You can also add a subtitle as well, like, "Welcome to my 3rd grade class." The lower sections here are where you add your information that you want on the flyer. So you can do things like add pictures, and it would come to on your drive, and you can go and click a picture. So once you find the picture on your drive that you want to add on, you can just click on it and it'll upload very simply and easily like this. Another interesting thing about this is that you can change things like the background. So you can add already pre-made backgrounds like this, or you can have a custom background, but that would become something you get if you actually purchase this website. You also can customize the colors of what the newsletter looks like. So here we have blue and yellow, things like that, as well as being able to change the fonts relatively easily, and you can preview them as well. Some other important things that you might need to know about this is that when you add something on, it just instantly is added on to the bottom of your page. So that is a very simple way to add something on. As well as you can just simply delete things that you do not want on the page that is already there from the template. Once you're done with your flyer, you can hit Done Editing, and it'll take you to a preview page here. As you can see, obviously I don't have a lot of information on mine, but they give you options like you can quickly share your newsletter in these links, as well as just embed the link. Another interesting thing is you can just download it as a PDF if you just want paper copies, and then just print them out. One thing that I find unique about this website is that you can see how many people have viewed your flyer online, and it'll show you like statistics about it as well. Now that you have seen how to create a flyer, let's look at how to view the flyers you've already made. So we click on the tab Your Flyers, and you'll have a profile page, and then you can come down and it shows you the flyers that you have made throughout the couple months. And you can come back to them and edit them as well. You can also create folders to put your flyers in if you have different reasons that you need to create flyers so that you can have them in each different folder. Here is also where you can edit your account. So these have things like you can add your bio, your screen name, you can add your Facebook and Twitter so that they can be automatically uploaded. Your flyers can automatically be uploaded onto those profiles, as well as getting a password changed and stuff like that. Another interesting thing is if you come to the Educator Hive tab, it'll direct us to, so on this page you get to see what other teachers have been doing and what have they been posting. It kind of gives you ideas about templates and other ideas on how to create. You can post on there as well. On this page you can look at the popular templates or even the newest ones that have come out. If you find a flyer that you like yourself personally, you can click on it and you can go to the Use as Template tab, and now you can edit that flyer to be your own. This tab is a very interesting tab, and it gets ideas going out there. It gives you a chance to share your ideas and get ideas as well, and I find that to be a very helpful tab. Lastly, we have the Help tab, and that is just if you have any further questions that you can always come to and see if you need any further help. This is how to navigate around S'more, and I hope that this was a helpful video. Thank you so much.